BMW revealed the all-new BMW X1 M35i xDrive. A performance model with unmistakable M character is taking its place at the top of the BMW X1 range. Its 4-cylinder unit is part of the new modular generation of BMW Group efficient dynamics engines and uses the M twin power turbo technology to record maximum output of 300 horsepower in Europe and even higher figure of 317 horsepower in the USA and other selected markets. The new BMW X1 M35i xDrive races to 100 km per hour from rest in 5.4 seconds, while top speed is electronically limited to 250 km per hour. M-specific chassis technology, including the option of M compound brakes for the first time on a performance model, teams up with BMW xDrive intelligent all-wheel drive to deliver sublime performance characteristics. Tell me in your comments, how do you like this model?